Anavex Life Sciences has presented to European Medicines Agency the still unpublished data on Phase 2b/3 for Blarcamesine in Alzheimer's disease. The European Medicines Agency, upon reviewing the data, decided to encourage Anavex to file for approval with the EMA. The investing public is intrigued by the still unpublished data, as the December 1, 2022 press release format left everybody guessing what the actual data expressed in more familiar format was. In order to throw light on the Phase 2b/3, we need to go back to Phase 2a that differentiated between patients on the basis of blood concentration of Blarcamesine. Medium blood concentration corresponded with 30 mg dose, and the high concentration more or less, with dose of 50 mg. The other point to be made here is that medium concentration cohort had normal distribution, suggesting that there wasn't any therapeutic effect for it, as that was almost the same as for the low concentration cohort, corresponding to those dosed with just 10 mg. Only the high concentration cohort exhibited bimodal distribution, suggesting strong therapeutic effect, but limited to only subset of patients, probably to those with limited severity above MMSE 21. Upon the examination of the histogram of high concentration cohort, it is evident that individuals with largest severity in the 9-member cohort exhibited sharp decline, as if the drug did not help them. The patients with the least severity benefited most, but in general were limited by the ceiling effect for those with greatest benefits. A third class was these who did not deteriorate. Had the general shape of the histograms from Phase 2a be preserved in Phase 2b/3, then they have been similar to those presented here. Phase 2b/3 combined the 30 mg and 50 mg cohorts, so that the patients are in general with high and medium concentration in blood of the drug, the meaning of which is that medium concentration patient might show no improvement and only high concentration patient might show improvement. If the shape of the histograms for Phase 2a and Phase 2b/3 might be in general similar, and that Phase 2b/3 is just improved Phase 2a, then following this logic, the 1.83 odds ratio can alter the histogram in this direction. In conclusion, the data presented by Anavex to the European Medicines Agency paints a promising picture for the future of Alzheimer's disease treatment. We've seen how the unpublished data has sparked public intrigue, and how the differentiation in Phase 2a has led to a deeper understanding of the drug's effects. The high concentration cohort in Phase 2b/3 shows potential for significant improvement in patients. The combination of the dosed 30 mg and 50 mg cohorts in Phase 2b/3, which might overlap in the level of blood concentration, dilutes the potential of this groundbreaking treatment. This could mean that patients with medium drug concentration may not show improvement as often as those with high concentration. There might not be a good way to separate these two cohorts in order to convey the success of Blarcamesine in Alzheimer's disease, that the nature of the drug produces bimodal distribution, making the application of standard statistical methods dubious, leaving us with the odds ratio as the best measure of the success. This breakthrough by Anavex could potentially revolutionize the treatment of Alzheimer's. The world now eagerly awaits the final approval from the European Medicines Agency. If the approval is granted, it will mark the beginning of a new era in Alzheimer's treatment, and give hope to millions around the world suffering from this debilitating disease. Stay tuned for more updates on Anavex's breakthrough in Alzheimer's treatment. We encourage everyone to follow Anavex's journey as they inch closer to a potential cure. If you found this video enlightening, please share it with your friends, family, and anyone interested in medical breakthroughs. Together, let's spread the word and hope for a future without Alzheimer's disease. The author of this video is Long Anavex, and will not sell or buy for next 3 days.